We absolutely love the master suite. We've got 2 entrances and we've gone with a not so traditional layout.
Giving the small space divisions for shower, toilet, vanity gives a small bit of privacy to each zone and confined into a small space.
In terms of colours, our clients love the grey terrazzo look, so we've gone for that feel matched with black tapware for a very moody and luxurious room.
To work in with our industrial sort of luxe feel, we went with a poured concrete vanity. These were done by Concrete Collective. They came in, took some templates, came away and formed these. As you can see, they have a smooth integrated basin in there.
As this vanity is very symmetrical in its layout and design, we've opted to stagger the pendants to create visual interest and draw your eye to a focal point in the room.